Hi everyone, this is Design Start and today we are going to talk about styles. So styles is a very important concept used in Figma. Basically, it allows you to create a style and then work within this style and apply these styles to multiple objects. And then if you change the setting of the style, it will be automatically applied to all the objects to which the style was previously applied. Just to make it easier for you, let's start. So style could be used in colors and in typography. Let's start from colors. So let's draw a rectangle, apply a color. Let's be color red, for instance. And now let's add it as a style. So to add this as a style, you need to go to this style button. And here you already see that there are some styles existing here, but we will add a new one. To add a new one, you just press this create style and then you provide a name. So you can provide a name like custom red, for instance, and create style. Now you can see that this style is appeared here. And in general, if you are not selecting any object on the canvas, color styles will be presented in this canvas even though nothing is selected. So you can actually edit this style by clicking on this button. And then you can change the color, change the name, and add also a description. For instance, probe color in red. This is just for the context. Now, imagine we want to add another color. Let's copy this one. And to actually change this color and not deleting this one, we need to detach this color, this style from this object. And then let's use another color like that. Now let's create another style. We go here and you can see that we already have a style here that was previously added. Then we will add another color which we'll call custom blue and create style. Now we have two styles. If you're not selecting anything, we have both of these colors in color styles. And this is basically what we need to know about styles. Now, let's add another color. Imagine you want to organize your colors in a better way. For instance, if you're talking about the digital products, and sometimes you can have like primary colors, error colors, alert colors, text color, interface color, etc. So for this reason, there is a simple trick how to make sure you organize everything in a more convenient way. So let's again detach this and let's create some green color like that and add this color. So again, click here, but instead of just the name of the color, let's use some kind of categorization for this one. And for instance, it could be like interface, then slash, then custom green and create style. Now you can see that here you can see it as interface custom green. But now here on the color palette, you can see that this color now becomes a subsection of the interface section. And this makes it more easier to find a particular color if it's related to a particular topic, let's say. And also in styles, if I want to change this one, for instance, I go here and you can see I have now subsection interface. This is very important since it's make it easier for you to find a needed color and to make sure that all your styles are basically classified and organized in a more convenient way. So the same principle works also for typography. Let's add the text here. So here we have font, thickness, etc., color. Let's use one color from our style already, for instance, this one. And now what we can do, we can also add a text style as well to our canvas, to our file. To do that, we go here again and add another style like that. And let's call it I don't know, header 3, for instance, create style. And now you can see it's changed to header 3. And again, if you are not selected anything, this text style will be also presented in the right sidebar. And again, as with the case with the color styles, we can do something like that as well for the text styles. So again, we copy that, let's detach it, change the font, make it smaller. And now let's also create another style. And again, interface, header 5, for instance, create style. And now we have two styles. Again, we have header 3, and then in interface section, we have header 5. We can change, obviously, any of those things from this panel. And also you can go here, click on the interface header, and change also your style directly from this one. But for instance, how to use it, right? I come in here, and then I can select another color, like that. So I have a particular color palette that I'm using in this particular file, and I don't need to, copy and paste a lot of different colors from all over the product. I can just select those that I'm using in this particular file. And the same works for text, so I can move between them easily. I can also change colors, and since I already have them in my product, in my file. And then you also may apply these colors and these styles for different other objects. So for instance, I can draw an ellipse and I can apply a color like that. I can do the same thing with some kind of line. And again, now it's red, but I can change it to green, to blue, etc. That's all that I wanted to tell you about styles, and see you in the next videos.